So today we are heading down to the beach to shoot a video in the pouring rain. And you're probably like, why? Why in the rain? And the answer to that is because it's gonna be sick, okay? It's gonna come out sick, and it's gonna tie into the story that we're trying to tell. I'm going down with my buddy Ant. He's gonna have a little emotional, motivational speech. And yeah, we're just creating a short little piece for him and his brand. And we're shooting on my Zcam F6, as you can see right here. I have the camera stripped down from how I normally shoot on it. You know, I usually have it rigged up with a V-mount, some rails and things like that, but I'm trying to keep it really small, lightweight, and nimble for today's shoot because I have to cover this thing with some plastic bags to protect it from the rain because this camera's not weather sealed, and I really don't want to ruin a $4,000 camera body, plus all these accessories. So yeah, we're gonna try to cover this thing with bags together because I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, and I figured it'd be kind of fun to do it together. So yeah, let's cover this thing with some plastic bags. All right, so I got some plastic shopping bags, some elastics, and some electrical tape to cover up this entire camera. I'm even gonna try to cover the monitor as best as I can because I'm using the Portkeys BM5 Mark III, and as you can see on the back here, it's like wide open, you know what I mean? There's like ports, there's fans, there's holes in it. So yeah, we gotta try to protect this thing as best as possible. All right, so I'm thinking the easiest way to do this would be to put the entire camera in the bag from the back, right? And then kind of, I wanna leave the top handle open so I can grab it and ensure that I don't, like, my hand won't slip and I'll drop the camera. So I wanna leave the top handle open. So maybe we'll just do something like this. Get it right around the lens mount. I'm gonna shoot this entire video wide open at f2. This is a Canon FD 24mm, by the way, so f2 will be completely fine. I'm just gonna tie a knot right here. All right, honestly, that's pretty good. Like, this entire thing is covered right now, and it's pretty tight around the lens. Yeah, everything's covered. There's no holes in this bag, and honestly, I can just access the controls on my side handle right here. And then I have a pretty good understanding of where all my buttons are on the side of the camera and on the top of the camera in case I need to access those as well. So let's double bag this. All right, we're looking pretty good. Honestly, this looks so silly, but I mean, look at this. But now I do want to try to cover up this monitor somehow. I don't really care if the screen of the monitor itself gets wet with water, but like if the backside gets wet, that could be kind of risky. So I might actually cut this bag and then like outline the monitor and then just like tape off the sides. Yeah, let's do that. Let me grab some scissors. Guys, like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. We're just kind of winging it. And hopefully it works, and hopefully I don't ruin my gear. So how am I gonna do this here? Probably just like around the top like this, and I'll tape it, cover up the ports, and then tape it, and then maybe put an elastic around the bottom or something. If the plastic covers the screen a little bit, I think that's fine. Like, I mean, I can still see the screen, you know what I mean? All right, so I got one piece of tape there. Now it's like we'll just get the top to kind of come across. Then I gotta cut this extra. All right, this is looking pretty good, honestly. I'm pretty confident that this will be completely fine. This is so sketch, so janky. All right, now I just need to finish off taping this back piece right here somehow. All right, I think this right here across the back. All right, this is pretty jank, but I think it works. So I taped up the back side of the monitor where all the open ports are. We got the entire camera covered up, and the front of the monitor looks like this. Honestly, I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna throw some elastics over the entire thing now, just to keep everything tidied up. All right, we are good. We are good. The entire camera is wrapped up, double bagged. monitors double bagged. I think we're good to go. Let's see. So I just wanted to pop in really quick here because I'm currently editing all the behind the scenes footage that you're about to see here in this video. And yeah, I just want to apologize ahead of time because the behind the scenes footage unfortunately didn't come out the best. I didn't have anybody willing enough to come out and stand in the pouring rain to shoot BTS for me. So all I did was strap a GoPro to my chest and I hoped for the best, guys. So some of the angles that the GoPro captures, you know, it's just angled down a little bit too much so you see my feet or something. And the audio from the GoPro came out absolutely terrible because it was so windy and rainy. We were literally filming in a storm. So I just want to give a quick disclaimer before you guys get into watching the behind the scenes footage. So just take that with a grain of salt. But I do want to leave it raw and like as uncut as possible because I think it's just like fun to watch like that and to see us being complete clowns out there in the pouring rain on the middle of a rock, like in the middle of the ocean. It's just, I don't know, it's just crazy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, that's all I wanted to say, so enjoy. All right, you want to fucking send it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, this is miserable. What are we doing? Maybe be like right on that edge right there.
Yep.
I'm gonna have you get down one more time.
Yep.
Maybe look off to the right. Look to the right. Coming up close to you. Yeah, stay looking that way. Look out straight. Maybe like rub your hands together. Slippery. You pretty stable right there? Yeah, let's see it, let's see it. Woo. I'm gonna get close in it. Keep doing that, keep doing that. Should get the wide. Oh yeah, bounce around maybe side to side a little. All right, ready? Look right at me. Box right at me. Woo. Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
That it?
Nah, let's get a little more, a little more.
All right.
I want to get a shot. Yeah, yeah, just like breathe deep like that. Oh, start there real quick. outside cam while we're out here, you know? Fucking full send.
Right. There's a little emblem on the bottom that says only those that risk us.
Oh, I love that.
You can get a shot of that.
Oh yeah, right there. It's perfect. It's perfect. Alright, you think we're good?
I think we're good, right?
Yeah, let's feel. Let's see how this held up. Take my elastics off. And this is the moment of truth. Oh, let's go. Look at that. Bone dry. Well, it's wet right there from me, but dry as a bone, man. Dry as a bone. Let's get this shit off.